Hello everyone and welcome to Informatica support videos. In this video, we will be covering how to deploy application using Informatica Developer Tool. The agenda of the video is to understand various application deployment methods, a quick demonstration and references to these methods. So majorly we have three methods which can be used to deploy applications. One is with the help of the developer tool, which we will be covering in this video. Second one is with the help of InfaCMD or command line utility. And the third one is with respect to admin console. So to know more on the other two methods, you can very well visit the other support videos. In this video, we will be covering on how to deploy applications using developer tool. So application is a deployable object that can contain physical data object, logical data object, data services, mappings, workflows, or even the mappings. To make any application object accessible outside developer tool, we deploy an application which contains these objects. So we can create an application from scratch or we can create it as we deploy an object. When we deploy an object, we isolate the object from the changes in the data structure. So whenever we deploy application to the data integration service, the application runs and the end users can connect to the application. So depending on what type of object is present in the application, we have to provide the appropriate permissions to the objects and also to the application. So if there are any changes that are made to the underlying object, let's say there are some changes that are done to the mapping, we need to redeploy the application in which the mapping is used. So let's see now how to deploy these applications using developer tool. So to deploy an application using developer tool, we need to connect to the MRS with the help of developer tool first. So here I have connected to the MRS which is present in my 10.4 domain, and now I will be showing how to deploy mapping to an application, workflow to an application, and also how to add objects to an existing application with the help of the developer tool. So I have few mappings which are created here which I want to deploy as an application. So I'll take an example of this test mapping, which is a flat file to flat file mapping. Now I want to add this mapping to an application. So this is my simple flat file to flat file mapping which I want to deploy to an application. So from developer tool, all we have to do is just select the mapping which we wish to deploy as an application, right click on the mapping and click on the deploy option. Once we click on deploy option, application wizard will open up requesting you to give name of the application, the type of the application deployment, whether it is full or incremental. You have to choose the application object. So right now I had chosen just one mapping. If I wish to add any other mapping to this application, I can just click on this add button over here and add a couple of other applications from any of the project that is available. So I will be adding one more project here, which is one more mapping. You just have to click next and it will request you to specify the DIS on which you wish to deploy this application. So I have just chosen one DIS and click on finish. If you do not wish to deploy this application directly to the DIS and if you wish to get the application archive file, you can go for second option, which will create an IAR file with the help of the developer tool, which can further be used to deploy application with the help of InfaCMD or with the help of admin console. So right now I'll be showing how to directly deploy this application to application service, which is nothing but DIS. So I can either choose all DIS at a time or I can choose just one DIS where I wish to deploy an application. I'm going to click on finish and this will start the application creation and the deployment process. Once the deployment is complete, you will see an application present in this applications tab, and you would also see applications in the DIS tab from admin console. So now the application is ready and you can see this application present over here in the applications tab. So we'll also see this from the admin console. So now I have logged into admin console just to check if the application that I deployed from the developer tool is seen here or not. So I had chosen DIS 10.4 as the DIS to which application should be deployed. So just go to the applications tab of the DIS, refresh it once and you would see this application deployed. So I'll see the application name, the mapping that I had added is also present in the application. So in this way we can deploy an application with the help of developer tool. You can repeat the same procedure for different other objects like workflows or maplets or data objects. So all you have to do is right click on the data object which you wish to deploy as an application, click on deploy. A deployment wizard will be open in front of you. Just give the application name and click on next and choose the DIS to which you wish to deploy this application and click on finish. So this will deploy application to the DIS. So in this way we can easily deploy application with the help of developer tool. So in this way we have learned how to deploy a mapping into an application. You can repeat the same process for other application objects. If you want to know more on deployment of the applications, you can either refer the application service guide or the developer tool guide, which will give you a deep dive into this topic. We would love to hear from you on this video. Any feedback is always welcome. So you can tweet us at the given Twitter link, or you can write an email to us at supportvideos@informatica.com. Thank you.